I've already made a modification to the router jig, and that is to put PVC pipes instead of the little plastic bearings. And out here I actually did away with the U-bolts altogether, and I drilled holes in the top of the pipes and then in the bottom, and put screws into this that don't stick through. Well, they did a little bit, but I ground them off. And that gives me a completely flat bottom on this. It gives me a little more clearance. But I just brought my first slab up to get it going, and I was going to do a video of it for you. And it's too thick for it. So I've got to make an adjustment. So I've made some little plates and cut some little shims. I'm going to screw this underneath each of the legs, and then I can unscrew that and put the shims on there to shim this up higher so that it'll clear it. And it should make sure that I get it equally raised on all four corners and keep everything consistent. Of course, that also means I'm probably going to have to cut new blocks for out in the middle, but that's okay. Eventually I'm going to get bigger pipes that'll still fit inside of here, because it's got a little bit of clearance, but it slides around a lot easier than it did before, so I'm liking that. So let me make these mods, and we'll come back and we'll level off a slab. Right? Cool. Stay tuned. So as you can tell, I also painted it, and I don't know if you can tell it or not, but the light color up here is actually 1/8" oak strips that I put down on the whole thing. And before I put each strip down, I caulked it, because I decided that about the only place I've got to store this thing is outside. So I will eventually have to rebuild it, because outside is not going to be good for it, but it's where I've got space for it right now until I get a bigger building, which will probably be a while. Doc, you're not going to want to be underneath there, buddy. Okay, so I had to raise 1.5 inches, and my tape measure went where? Probably inside. Anyway, I've got to go cut the med blocks real quick, because I really don't need an uneven slab. And I'll get those cut, and we'll come back and actually start whacking this puppy down. shims out on either end and drop this down because my router is down all the way. And I know I'm going to cut the ends off, but I still wanted to use a bit more of this. I didn't want to cut it here. I want to cut it out here. So I'm going to have to take probably 2 more passes off. But to do that, got to be able to drop that down further. So let me do that and we'll be right back. Right now it is 1 3/4, but if I take it to 1 1/2 inches, I get rid of all that. That's about 3 more passes, I think. It's about 20 minutes per pass. It's either that or I'm going to curve the ends of the table. I think that might actually be better anyway. And this is too long for the table that I want to make anyway. And it's a coffee table, so it's low to the ground, so that curved side, or curved end, would be better for shins, I would think. You bump it, it might deflect you away and not hit a sharp corner. Well, I think I might go that route. I like the 1 3/4 thickness. All that's left is a lot of sanding, but still, has a better surface than I would get with a scrub plane, so I'm good. Well, on to the next thing. Darn, that was my last 80 grit ceramic belt. Now I gotta switch to a traditional belt. the wet rag, but that wasn't quite enough water, and sawdust kept balling up on me. So let's try this. Yeah, I think that's gonna make a pretty nice looking table. Right? Right. Alright guys, that's it for now. Be sure and come back to see the table actually built, because that's going to involve the Kumiko panels as well. See you next time guys, thanks for watching.